So let's look at the next question, which says question 4 now. A car accelerates from 0.54 kilometer per hour to 0.72 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Find its acceleration. This one is very simple. Find its acceleration. It's very straightforward. But you have to convert these velocities from kilometer per hour to meter per second. The initial velocity is 0.54 kilometer per hour. Convert it to meter per second. It will be 0.54 times 1000 all over 60 times 60. That will be 540 all over 3600. So that will give you 0.15 meter per second. That's the initial velocity. The final velocity V is equal to 0.72 kilometer per hour. That will be 0.72 times 1000 all over 60 times 60. That will give you what? So that will give you 720 all over 3600. And by the time you divide this by this, we are going to have 0.2 meter per second. So these are your initial and final velocities. Now the time is, remember the time is 10 seconds. So let's look at let's see how we can find find the acceleration. We are using this equation, V is equal to U plus AT to find the acceleration. Final velocity is 0.2 is equal to initial velocity is 0.15 plus the acceleration is what we are looking for times the time is 10 seconds. So 0.2 is equal to 0.15 plus 10a. So collect your like terms now. You're going to have 0.2 minus what? 0.2 minus 0.15 is equal to 10a. So 0.2 minus 0.15, we are going to have 0.05 is equal to 10a. Divide both sides by 10. A is equal to 0.05 all over what? 10. And a will give you what? 0.005 meter per second square. So that's your acceleration. That's your final answer. So let's look at let's see how we can solve the final question here before we see how we can run it up for today. Number 5 or question 5 says a car starts from rest. Car starts from rest and travels at uniform acceleration until it attains a velocity of 30 meter per second. After 30 seconds, find what is the distance of find the distance covered by the car. Find the distance covered by the car. So we are going to use to find the distance. We are using this. Before then, let's bring out our parameters. A car starts from rest, and initial velocity from rest is always 0. The time here is 6 seconds. Time is equal to 6 seconds. Then the final velocity is 30 meter per second. So for us to find the distance, which is S is what we are looking for. Before we find the distance, we have to find acceleration because we are using this equation to find the distance. S is equal to ut plus half at squared. We are using this equation to find the distance, and you can see that acceleration is not given. So we are going to use first of all, we're going to find the acceleration using this equation. V is equal to U plus AT. We're going to use this equation to get the acceleration. Then we can use this one now to find the distance. The final velocity is 30 is equals to the initial velocity is 0 plus the acceleration is what we are looking for times the time is 6. 30 is equals to 0 is equals to 6a, and a is equals to 30 divided 6 will give you 5 seconds. So the acceleration is 5 meter per second square. That's the acceleration. So we can now use this to have found or gotten the acceleration. We can now use this equation to find the distance. S is equals to ut plus half at squared. S is the distance we are looking for because it asks us to find the distance. The initial velocity is 0 times the time is 6 plus half times the acceleration is 5 and the time is 6. Remember the time is 6 squared. So S equals to 0 times 6 will give you 0 plus half times 5 times 6 squared is 36. So S is equals to 180 over 2. S is equals to 90 meters. So this is your final answer. S is equals to 90 meters. So we are going to stop here for today. Remember to subscribe to all our social media handles and follow us, like our page, share and comment. This is the best platform for all your educational content. Thank you so much. See you in our next session. Bye.